Good morning everybody. As you can probably tell by my festive pajamas, I'm starting to feel in the festive spirit, and today I have got a bit of a festive day. It's actually 6 AM, which is why it's so dark. It isn't the evening, and that's why I'm in my pajamas. I'm just about to drink my coffee, and then I need to go get my workout in for the day. Why have I gone so pink? I need to get my workout in this morning, and then I'm in London all day. I've got a bit of a social day today. I'm meeting my managers, who I haven't seen since before I went away, and I miss them, and I'm really excited to see them. So I'm going for a meeting with them. And then I'm meeting Pangy, who you guys know and love, so I'm sure you guys are excited to see Pangy. And we're having a lovely festive day. I want to go to Lush and do a big Christmas Lush order, get some nice food, just have a nice day, because again, I've not seen him in about 6 months because he moved to London. He's no longer like literally down my road. So excited to see him. And then me and Tim are seeing our friend Jacob this evening. So yeah, social day, and I need to come home and edit a video, so it's gonna be a busy day. I'm starting to feel super festive and excited for Vlogmas, which this is the penultimate video before Vlogmas begins. We have a video going up on the 1st of December, and then Vlogmas begins on the 2nd, so we're nearly there. I'm gonna drink my coffee now, go to the gym, and I'll see you when I get back. It's crazy how dark it is still. Walking to the gym at this time of morning is pretty depressing, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm excited to get a sweat on. I'm just getting ready. I just got some great news that the painter can actually start on Friday. So I'm still going to be away with benefit, but that means that he will have been doing a whole day worth of painting by the time I get home. And I also got my dates wrong, and I'm home on Friday. I thought I was home on Saturday, but I'm home on Friday, which is amazing, which means I can go to my friend's birthday thing. I'm just a bit rubbish, really. I get my dates confused all the freaking time. My manager actually just texted me and cancelled our meeting today. I'm meeting him instead on Friday, so I now don't need to be in London until 2:30 to meet Pangy, so I'm gonna get a little bit of work done. Here is today's outfit. I'm so excited to put this mirror up because you guys can see basically a full-length look. I love this dress. It's snake print, and it's a lovely high neck with kind of floaty sleeves, and then there's like a tie on the back, and it's like a lovely light pleated fabric. I will link this dress down below. I'll probably do a new in autumn winter haul during Vlogmas. Keep your eyes peeled for that. These are the only knee-high boots that I've been able to find that fit over my thighs. I have calves. I have huge calves, and they are rock solid muscle because of dancing when I was a kid, horse riding, fencing. Like, I only used my legs when I was younger, and I have these hefty, strong calves that will never ever deplete. So finding boots that fit over them, really hard. So that's today's look. I'll show you the full look just before I leave. I'm gonna make myself a quick salad, have a cup of tea, and actually finish editing a vlog that I thought I was gonna have to rush. I now have loads of time to do it, so this has actually turned out quite well. I also ordered Zoella's collaboration with Rag & Bone, the neon sign that says "Wouldn't It Be Nice?" because that's actually one of my all-time favourite songs. So I got it in orange to go in my kitchen, which I'm really excited about. And I just got a delivery confirmation, and it's at my dad's neighbour's house. So hopefully my dad will be able to put that up for me at some point next week, which will be really cool because it is nice. Wouldn't it be nice? Oh. Does that not look delicious? People who say that they don't like salads clearly don't know how to make a salad. I love salad. Even now in the winter, I'm eating salads. This used to be the last thing I would eat. Like, I would, right now, be really wanting it to be like warm and cozy, eat a massive bowl of pasta with loads of cheese, which I mean I still would love to eat, but it's not as if I'm thinking like the last thing in the world I want to eat right now is a salad. This is delicious and it's so filling, and I'm adding pesto these days, and oh my god. It's corn chicken, couscous, cucumber, lettuce, tomato and pesto. So good. So yummy. I've got myself a cup of tea. This is a new mug. I got it from Tesco. Look at the size of it. I think it's the biggest mug I own. I absolutely love it. But mine is still cooler. Link down below and 20% off now. Ah! Okay, that's what I get for being obnoxious. Okay, I'm about to head out the door and here is the completed look now. My huge oversized weekday coat and my Prada bag and a Topshop Baker Boy leather look hat. Today's look, it's actually raining, so I've got an umbrella, I've got a hat to protect my hair, but I think I might be a bit chilly. But it's been raining all morning, so I don't think it's gonna let up at any point soon, which is a massive shame. But that is life, isn't it? I've actually ordered a new Canon G7X. It's arriving tomorrow. I'm gonna keep both of them, but I'll give one of them to Tim, because then he can like film from a different angle, and I don't have to be like, oh, could you film this? He has a camera, so if he sees something he wants to film, he can film it. This camera is absolutely screwed, and I wish you could see. Actually, maybe I can show you. Can you see the fragile tape taping you together? Mception. We're in need of a new G7X here. Focus. It's also stopped focusing, which is great. I haven't gone for the G7X Mark III because I haven't heard great things. I think that they're bringing out new software which you can download onto the body, but the Mark II just works for me, apart from when it breaks, obviously. So until they bring out the Mark IV that everyone loves, I'll just stick with the Mark II because it's also so much cheaper and it's such a good camera. It's really ironic me saying that when it won't focus on my face. We haven't seen each other in about a year.
Yeah, literally like a year.
That's the longest we've ever gone not seeing each other.
I'm sure we must have seen each other since then, but I don't think we have.
I can't think of time. Pangy's never seen my flat.
I've never seen the flat. I was meant to come and help decorate like a year ago, and then I never came. Not I never came, like I didn't show up. Like
it's never happened.
Yeah.
But he's gonna come to my party, hopefully.
Yeah,
so he'll see it then, and he'll see it when it's all done. See, it's also stopped focusing.
Yeah.
He's just laughing at my fragile tape.
The fragile tape all over the camera.
Relatable. I am literally this camera.
I am the camera.
Held together with fragile tape. We're gonna have a little wander around some shops. We're in what's it called? The Pilgrim.
Kingly Court, but yeah, nice.
I read Pilgrim there.
That's Pilgrim Pizza, huh?
I know, and it's my favourite pizza. And I have pizza on the brain. Just having a coffee because both of us were like, I'm so tired. I was falling asleep on the train. So we're gonna go do maybe a bit of Christmas shopping. I want to go to Lush, but Pangy works at Lush.
I do work at Lush.
So we're not gonna spend long there because it's triggering.
We're gonna go in, out,
shake it all about. So yeah, that's the plan.
We're going in with a list.
A list.
And a route.
A list, a route, a goal. And I am not testing any of them.
Maybe we should go in with the fragile tape on and just leave me alone.
Please don't touch me, I'm fragile. We've come into Liberty's, aka the most festive shop ever. It's so beautiful because I need to pick up a perfume. So I've run out.
But you'll never know. I can't tell her how I feel. 'cause she has someone who makes her happy.
I'm in my happy place. We're in H&M home. We're buying things that are going to be nice and cumbersome to carry around.
At least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks.
I'm feeling so festive, like it feels like Christmas.
Never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah-nah. Never know, nah-nah. She will never know, nah-nah.
I feel so Christmassy. I'm not in focus. I feel so Christmassy. I just got some stocking fillers for people, little presents for Tim, who I'm actually meeting soon to go for dinner in the pub and meet our friend Jacob. But it just looks so beautiful and festive everywhere I look, everywhere you go. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Some would say. Some might say. And we're gonna go to Lush, and I'm gonna buy all the bath bombs, and I think I'll do like a Lush haul at some point in Vlogmas, and show you guys what I pick up, because there's gonna be a lot.
I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. She will never know that.
Okay, I just bought an embarrassing amount of bath bombs from Lush. Definitely enough for a haul. Probably enough for 5 people's hauls. So I'll show you those sometime early in Vlogmas, because at some point in Vlogmas I'm not going to be able to have baths. I wonder what I might be getting done in Vlogmas. So I need to have loads of lovely festive baths early on. Me and Pangy are heading to the Tube now, and I'm going to go to Westminster to meet Tim at work, and then we're going to the pub and we say goodbye to Pangy.
Bye. I'll see you soon, hopefully.
I will see you soon, babe. Sorry, it's rush hours. Pretty rammed. Real fun. Happy-go-lucky ray of fucking sunshine. Who are you? Morning, guys. I didn't end the vlog last night because I passed out. I got home, we had a few drinks at the pub with Jacob. It was amazing to see him. It was so lovely to see him. And then I passed out at home. So I didn't end the vlog. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. But I thought before I do, I would just show you a few of the bits I picked up yesterday, do a little haul. I'm not going to show you the Lush stuff because I am going to show you that in a separate vlog. But I did buy some things. Anthropologie is like my favourite shop. I love it so much. I love their Christmas tree decorations. So you will have seen my little paper chase Christmas tree decoration haul. So we know the kind of vibe I'm going for this year. I picked up a few from Anthropologie as well. I got this badass leopard head, so cool. I got a little whale friend. I believe this is a sperm whale. He could be a blue whale actually, but he doesn't look like a very accurate blue whale. So my little shark has a friend. And then I got a little toucan to remind me of South America. So cute. Even though I have my own mug line, I am still a huge mug enthusiast and collect mugs. And I saw this one. It says warmest energies on it. I just love the look of it. I love the shape of it. I love the texture. I love that it's a little bit like imperfect. I just love the whole thing. So I got myself a new mug. Not that I need a new mug. I also got my everyday perfume. This is my 3rd bottle of Diptyque Eau Dwell. It is like adult vanilla. So it's like super sweet, but it's like really warm and rich at the same time. Such a gorgeous perfume. Honestly, I've been wearing it like every day for like 3 years now. And then I picked up a couple presents for Tim. So Tim, if you're watching, stop watching. I picked him up the Only in Tokyo, basically the food guide. So 2 chefs, 24 hours, the ultimate food city. And it's like where to eat in Tokyo, because Tim is a massive food enthusiast and we really want to go to Tokyo. So he did loads and loads of research for Asia of where to eat. Like that was the thing he prioritized. So I got him a whole city guide for it. And also in Asia, he developed an obsession with passion fruit. So I got him a couple of little like stocking fillers. The first one is coconut and passion fruit jam. So we'll see how this tastes. I also got him passion fruit and dark chocolate, because he loves dark chocolate and he loves passion fruit. So I thought that was nice to like chuck in his stocking. And then I bought myself the best smelling candle to ever exist. Oh my god. This is from Anthropology. It's their like Capri Blue line. And this is pumpkin clove. Oh my god, it smells incredible. From H&M Home, I picked up this plant pot as well for my banana palm. I just put it up there so you can see it. But it's the perfect size. So yeah guys, that is everything I picked up yesterday. The rest are like presents and things for people that might watch the vlog. It was so nice to spend the day with Pangy. I probably didn't vlog as much as I wanted to, but I was too busy enjoying myself and catching up with him because he's one of my best friends and I hadn't seen him in a year, which is just so sad. So we need to make more of an effort to see each other more frequently because I absolutely adore him. But I'll see him at my party, so I'm really excited. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This is the second to last video before Vlogmas. The last one is going up on the 1st and then Vlogmas starts on the 2nd. I'll see you guys in a few days. Bye.